Hi guys, it's me. So I have another craft project using some materials that I was sent by this wonderful craft company called YazyCraft. I did make some aprons for children that I painted, which they sent me before, but this time I got this 3M elastic cord, and it's really nice, really a good quality, and the best part is it's under $10 and you get a ton of it. I believe that I got 24 yards, so I can make tons of journals with this. So what I decided to do using this elastic was to make a flowish style journal. So I have all of these old books, and I love books. It's like one of my favorite things ever. But I just added kind of a surprise in the center, so you'll get to see that. And then I did use the elastic too, to make kind of like a flowish style journal that I can use and take with me, and just use all the cool materials on the inside. So YazyCraft is a wonderful company on Amazon. They have really great reviews. They really guarantee their products, and I really love. It's been a great interaction with them, and they have lots of products that you could definitely use in your crafting, which is super important. So for this one, if you use the code SHAMI505, which I will have a link below in the description box to this specific elastic, that you can get a discount on, or they have a whole list of other stuff that you can get discounts on too. So you get 10% off for buying one item, and then you get 15% for buying any 2 items. So it's really cool. You can check them out and see all the wonderful products that they have. They're a really nice company, and it's been great working with them. So I'm going to use this fabulous elastic and show you how I created this really fun flowish kind of journal. Flowish journals are really cool. It's basically a way for you to put kind of all your scraps and all your papers and painted papers and supplies into one book that you can take with you, and you can flip through it for motivation, and you can create from this book. So I'm going on a couple trips, and I plan to be out and about a little bit more, and I still want to be able to create. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to use the elastic and also to create a really fun project. So I'm going to show you the process from start to finish in the tutorial. It will be in fast motion, and there will be music, so I hope that you enjoy it. And I will see you guys in a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for more information on YazyCraft. I'll see you guys later.
Tears roll down your cheeks. I know now it's on me. I'll be setting off alarms, you be turning off alarms. You be laying in my arms, I'll be stacking up my arms. I'm driving you crazy, you seem more mad lately. You cry, but I try.
Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want. Love like Sierra Leone. Diamonds all over our throne. Still I be wrong.
You go hard for me, I'll be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my baby cry. Stay, 'cause you're still my pain, and we're good, so don't cry, pretty. Tears stream down your face. You need now your space. You be pulling me closer, I can't come any closer. You laying on my shoulder, I'm standing on the shoulders of all that I am changing only for you, baby. You cry, but I try.
Girl, I am the one that you want. I'll be the one that you need. I be, girl. Don't even know what you want. Love like Sierra Leone. Diamonds all over our throne. Still I be wrong.
hard for me. I be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my baby cry.
Keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms. Fall asleep in my arms. Come and lay in my arms. I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms. Fall asleep in my arms. Early in the morning, I'll be waking up and you be mad about things. Every single morning, I'll be waking up and you be sad about me. Let's enjoy the moment.
Let's enjoy the moment.
I just want a good morning. Let's be in it for a moment. Cause I'll be
here with you. Go hard for me. I'll be on my ego thing. You be telling me that I hurt you sometimes. Well, I never meant to hurt you, baby, or make my baby cry. Cause you're still my baby. Oh, good, so don't cry.
For a moment, let's be in love for a moment. Come and lay in my arms. I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms. Fall asleep in my arms. Come and lay in my arms. I'll keep you safe in my arms. Don't be setting off alarms.
Sometimes you like to cry that I'm so ruthless, that other people treat you right. With me you win, but really what the truth is, you be in your feelings every day, almost every night. Now you making me think what you mean to me. I be shining you up, but you keep shading me. So if you really think that I can be so ruthless, why are you continuing to do this? You must really like me. You must really like me. Really like me. You must really like me. Really like me. There's 7 billion people in the world. Ain't none of them alike. They ain't like. Ain't none of them alike. They ain't like. Ain't none of them alike. They ain't like me. There's 7 billion people in the world. I told you I would take you to the Hamptons this summer if you acted right. You lie and tell your friends that I'm a savage. Why you in your feelings every day, almost every night? Now you making me mad, lies on my name. I'll be juicing you up, but I ain't lemonade. So if you really think that I am such a savage, why you holding on to all my baggage? You must really like me. You must really like me. There's nothing better for you than me, and I love you too. You know you really love me, you do. You know you really want me, you do. You know there's nothing better for you